Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the AMD Error 207 easily. So if your screen flickering or your games crashing with the dreaded AMD software detected data display driver has failed to load, or the error 207. So this common Windows 10 or 11 glitch usually happens after a Windows update messes with your drivers. But here I'm going to show you the guide to get your GPU back to 100% performance. So the first one, you can do a quick reset. So before uninstalling anything, you can just use the shortcut. So you can just use the shortcut Windows button plus Control, Shift and B to reset your graphics driver instantly. And the next one, you can also do the device manager rollback. So oftentimes Windows install the wrong versions. So you can just go to the device manager in here, and you can just roll back the driver or re-enable your AMD Radeon hardware. And the next one, if the error still persists, you need a clean slate. So you can just open your browser and find the AMD cleanup utility in here, or DDU, to wipe the old corrupted file. So you can just get it from the AMD official site in here. Next one, you can just reinstall the official driver. So you can just find your GPU on the official AMD support in here. You can go to the resources and support and download it in here, download the driver and reinstall it again. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please give me a like, leave a comment, and also click on the thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.